This video is a quick walkthrough of all of the layouts from the Celebrate Today Scrapbooking Workshop from Close to My Heart. You can watch each of them come together in a full process video. This layout here is a single 12 by 12 page. It's called Project 1 if you want to watch the process. It uses so many fun paper pinwheels, and I love how that one came together. The second one is called You're a Star. We've made shaker stars on this layout, which is another really fun technique that comes together as part of this one workshop. This one's called Project Number 2 if you want to check out the entire process video on how I made it. This one is Project 3, which is a 2-page 12 by 12 spread. This one has so many fun details in a sky background and these fun clouds that are all made together to layer up with fringe detail. You can see here all of the fringe, a beautiful title in a balloon, so many fun details on that page as well. Process video Project Number 3. Lastly is Project Number 4. And this one uses so many of the fun stickers in the workshop, as well as lots and lots of the die cuts. You can see how they all layer up, and we've been able to document 7 photos in a really creative way on this spread. I love how it came together. I hope you'll join me by watching the process videos and subscribe to our channel for even more fun and learning from Close to My Heart.